Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And over, done. It's because I do it in 11 takes. Hi everybody, Fintan here from Damson Cloud. I want to end the year by saying a big thank you to all of our customers for being with us, and to you, our viewers and subscribers. We hope that you've had a successful year, and we look forward to continuing to help you achieve success with Google Workspace in 2023. I thought maybe that we'd share some of our highlights from the year and give you a little preview of what to expect from us in 2023 as well. Well, firstly, we've continued to add a huge amount of content to our YouTube channel, which is driven by requests from both our customers and viewers. With nearly 40 plus videos added in 2022, we have racked up over 400,000 views and unbelievably 1.1 million watched minutes in the year, which is just absolutely astounding to me. The top 3 videos for me in 2023, well, the first one was the new Google Calendar booking feature, which killed Calendly according to us. That racked up 24,000 views and was one of my favorites. I definitely think it's an area that has helped a lot of users who are trying hard to schedule time with customers, and it's just made it a lot easier. I know I've used that feature quite a lot this year. The next is Gmail versus Outlook, which is better for your business. In this video, we look at the kind of pros and cons of using the Gmail web interface versus using an Outlook mail client. This is specifically when you're using Google Workspace. No prizes for guessing which one we think is better. And then my third video is My Drive versus Shared Drive, which is done by our very own Noel, our in-house trainer. And this looks at the difference between the two. And it's a question that we get asked quite often by customers who are trying to utilize shared drives, and they need to make sure that their end users understand the difference between the two. And so this video is fantastic for anyone in that situation. An honorable mention goes out to one of our admin videos, which shows you how to add a user to the Google admin panel. A simple but extremely popular one that has racked up nearly 4,000 views already. We started working with a lot of great clients in 2022, including Trio Media, who ironically have been in the media quite a bit recently, Village Hotels, Silverback Recruitments here in Ireland, and Owens McCarthy, and many, many more. We continue to provide exceptional service to our current clients and have assisted in dozens of migrations, training, strategic advice on Google Workspace, security audit support, and many other services and products. Google Workspace has seen some major improvements as well in the last 12 months. Definitely too many to go through here, but here's my top 3. The first one is definitely the Gmail interface. It's brought everything together, and although it's been around for a little while, it became the default, and a lot of people hadn't really moved to the new interface. And what it does is it brings Gmail and chat and spaces and meet into a single location, and it makes it easier for people to communicate and collaborate. And I think particularly with hybrid working, where you're working off a laptop or a smaller device, this sort of single pane of glass makes it much, much easier to get work done. The next feature release was the automated classification of Google Workspace data. Now, this is a little bit of a mouthful, but it's basically auto-assigning drive labels. Now, Google Drive labels were launched probably only about a year ago, and they allow companies to add metadata to classify files, maybe something being confidential or being able to be shared externally, etc. This update brings powerful automation to the Drive labels feature. Imagine, for example, being able to add a label to files that have a certain name, or indeed have certain content in them like credit card details, and maybe marking them as confidential, and then using DLP rules, data loss prevention rules, to stop those files from being shared externally or deleted by end users. That's just one example or use case for a very, very powerful feature that I see a lot of customers using in 2023. The final one for me is probably the additions to Smart Canvas. Now, again, Smart Canvas was launched probably about a year or so ago, and Google added a couple of little features. But now they've added things like pageless docs, smart chips in Google Docs, and recently the drop-down smart chips in Google Sheets. So we're seeing some of these Smart Canvas features now coming to both Google Docs and Google Sheets. And it's making them much more powerful platforms. And I'm really excited to see where Google take this next year and in the coming years. We also ran our exclusive IT Leaders event at the Teeling Whisky Distillery in Dublin. Attendees enjoyed whisky tasting, a drinks reception, and heard from both industry experts and customers, all while enjoying a 3-course meal at one of Dublin City's oldest distilleries. We were absolutely blown away by the response to the event, and I really look forward to running more of these types of events in 2023, both in Ireland and the UK. We expanded our team a lot over the last year or so, quite considerably in fact. We added Noel, Ruben, Sven, Mark, Dan and Leslie, all joined the team in the last 13 months. And this has allowed us to improve the service that we provide to customers and actually add an entirely new department solely focused on customer success, who's headed up by our very own Isabel Phillips. So what have we got coming up in 2023? Well, in Q1, we're going to be launching our new website with increased functionality and content. We're also going to be running and hosting a lot more events in 2023. And you can attend these not only to meet learn about Google Cloud and meet Googlers and Damson staff, but also we'll be hosting customer forums, and these will be where customers can come together to discuss how their organizations are actually using Google Workspace and share ideas and insights with each other as well as with us. And I think this will be really, really valuable. We have big plans to continue growing our team and adding new skills and capabilities, which will help us support our customers' growth and allow us to add even more products and services that will support our customers. One area that I know is really important to customers is data insights, and this is something that we're focusing very heavily on. We've already made dramatic improvements in our account management, but in 2023, we're going to be making significant investments in business value insights for customers. These reports will allow our customers to get insights into how their teams are actually utilizing Google Workspace, and looking at where they can both consolidate costs and improve efficiencies by leveraging more from the Google Workspace platform. As we take stock of the success that we've had in 2022, and look forward to 2023, we're going to be continuing to help organisations across Ireland and the UK achieve success with Google Workspace. From all of us here at Damson Cloud, I wish you the very best over the holiday period and a happy new year. Thanks for watching.